Okay, so 27 through 31 is asking you to complete the square. And they're probably going to get ugly, so I'm going to do 31 with you. So we have y minus 4. We're pushing that 4 to the other side of the equation. And then on this side we have 5x squared minus 6x. Yep, this is going to get ugly. Alright, so I'm glad I'm doing this one with you. Alright, now if we use my b squared over 4 times a, we're going to get 36 over 20. Okay, so the question is, should I leave it like that or simplify it? I don't know. We can simplify, that'd be 18 over 10, that'd be 9 over 5. Okay, so 9 over 5, right? Take 5 out of it. 4 out of the top and the bottom. So we're going to add 9 over 5 to both sides, plus 9 over 5. Okay. Now this would be 20 over 5, specifically negative 20 over 5. So if I put those together, I end up with y minus 11 fifths, right? Because you have 9, take away 20, and you get 5. Okay. Now, on the other side, remember I said that we are going to factor out the coefficient. Now the ones we did in class today were nice. We're going to take out a 5. Okay. And when we take out a 5, remember we're dividing everything by 5. Division by 5 is the same as multiplication by 1/5, so I'll just write that like that. So we end up with x squared minus 6/5 x plus 9 over 25. Okay, looking beautiful so far. Y minus 11 fifths equals 5. Now this thing is a perfect square. The question is, what's it a perfect square of? Well, if you remember in class, we talked about what you would do with, here, let's use red. With this chunk right here, we said you would cut it in half. Well, what's half of negative 6/5? Negative 3/5. Okay. Now, we're almost done, because we got to get y by itself. So y equals 5x minus 3/5 quantity squared plus 11 fifths. Okay, so that's the last part. It says rewrite the equation in Vertex form. Okay, so there's completing the square. Now, it's asking me for the vertex. Okay, so the vertex of this one is positive 3/5, positive 11 fifths. Kind of ugly. And the axis of symmetry, which is, it says the axis of the graph of the function. They mean the axis of symmetry, the AOS, as we call it in the industry. X equals, because this is a parabola that opens up, so it has a vertical axis of symmetry. X equals 3/5. And yes, I did get that number from the x coordinate of the vertex. Okay, but that's the information you're looking for question 31. And I shall add this to the video page, or